In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an ignition coil on your Scion XB. This is going to be located on top of the motor. Let's get started. Using a 10mm socket, remove the two nuts for the top cover. Remove the cover. Remove the connector, push on the tab in the back. Should lift the tab up. If your tab is having trouble getting over the clip, gently use a small pry tool to help it over and remove the connector. We're going to pull that connector off to the side. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt for the coil. Lift straight up and remove the coil. Install the ignition coil. Push it all the way down until it's seated. Install the bolt. Snug it down. Torque the bolt to 6 foot-pounds. Install the connector, push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Install the plastic cover. Get the two nuts started. And snug them down. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.